What's up, my LoRyders? Today I'm coming with a collaboration from Reinhardt. Reinhardt sent me this wonderful toilet paper holder, you guys. This toilet paper comes with a lid featuring a handle and 4 wheels. There are 4 swivel casters and 2 of them are lockable. It's very easy installation, attaching 4 wooden strips followed by installing the 4 wheels to complete the installation. And it was easy. My husband put it together. I waited for him to come home to put it together because I thought I couldn't, and I probably could have. Okay, and there's a transparent strip on the side that allows easy monitoring of the remaining toilet paper. It can hold 9 mega rolls and 12 regular rolls. If the mega rolls are hard to insert, just simply compress them before placing them inside. This toilet paper holder is designed to take up minimal space, fitting conveniently beside your toilet and taking up very little space, as I just said. So I'll put all the information about this toilet paper holder in the description box. So watch as my husband puts it together. You guys, I just love it. It's just so cute. Look at all the colors it comes in. These are the wheels, and then on the side of it, it's clear right here, clear plastic, so you can see how many, on the other side, I need the clear plastic. So you can see how many rolls of tissues is in there, and then they have a little slit on the other side, and they have it where you have straps, so he's gonna put those straps on so we can see.
Can you see in there?
You just take them out, you put them on wherever you
I can't take them out, they're built in.
Oh, they're built in, so pull them up, let me see what they do.
This one goes up, it's for your sides. Goes up, put it under there, and then you just Velcro it down.
Oh, that's to hold it open?
Yeah, to stand it up.
Oh, to stand it up, okay.
Yeah, see, this one, you put it under here, Velcro, bam. It's all in one. You don't have to.
That is so cool.
No tools needed.
That is so cool. Y'all know I'm about to go get some toilet paper so I can put it in there for you guys, right?
And it's 4 of these for all 4 sides.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some toilet paper so I can put it in, you guys can see. I'll be right back. I'm so excited, you guys. It is too cute and sturdy. Look, it roll up, and it has a lid. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Thank you, Reinhardt, for sponsoring this video. I just love it. Okay, let's get the tissue and see what it looks like. Okay, guys, we got the toilet paper. Now let's see how many fit. Let's see. And we have the super rolls. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put the lid on. Let me put the lid on. Oh, I get to put the lid on, you guys. Look. Oh my goodness. That is too cute. And it's moving so good, you guys. Look.
It's light.
And it's light. Uh-oh, I'm pushing it off. And it's tilted on this rug too. Can you turn it for me while I record? Look at it. And on this side right here, turn back. You can see the tissues right there. Let's go around. Okay, go out. Turn around on the floor. Put it on the floor and roll it. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I like it. Okay. Okay, toilet paper holder.
Sturdy.
Very sturdy. Okay, I'm gonna put all the information on the toilet paper holder in the description box, along with a coupon code. Okay, so we can save you, and no tools. We didn't have to use any tools, and you can save you some money. Wow. Okay, guys, this is where I store my tissue holder. Compact, cute, love it. Good morning, my LoRyders. It is Saturday, and I do my Saturday reset, not a Sunday reset. And I'm about to start it in a few minutes, you guys. But first, let me show you guys what I have to do. I have to do my bathroom. Got a little bit messy over there. Not a lot to do, just a little. Gotta make my bed up and vacuum in here. Yeah, it did get a little bit messy because I was not feeling good, so I didn't do anything. These are clothes that's going to Goodwill. I gotta do my laundry, and I know it looks like a lot, but it really isn't, because this is just my overflow of clothes. So now see, so you can see how much I really have to do. And this is about 4 loads because I have a big front loader. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm doing this or when I'm done. Let me see, the beauty room doesn't really need anything. No, I just need the vacuum in the beauty room, you guys. Everything's fine in here. Downstairs is already clean. Let me let you guys see. My husband is home, so I might be a little bit messy. Let's see. Okay, you guys, it's pretty clean down here. That's just my grandson's stuff on the table. Backpack. Get all this stuff in one spot. Yep, downstairs is cool. They're gonna Marvin messy. Okay, downstairs is cool. I just have to do the upstairs, you guys. So, with that being said, I'll be back. I know this looks like a lot of laundry, and it kind of sort of is. I have a front-facing loader, and I can get a lot in that loader, you guys. So this will probably end up being like 4 loads, and I usually separate. The slots separate the different colors, but when I don't feel good, I just throw them anywhere. So that's why you see me separating the laundry right now. But I'm gonna load it, start with the blues, and then the neutral colors, and then I do the white slash because I have to use bleach, and I don't want bleach accidentally getting on the other clothes. So watch me do this laundry.